Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your TikTok account using your phone number, your email, and your username. Both three of this thing, alright? So follow the step in order to do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, if you are already logged in into your account, what you can do is go on profile and click on the arrow button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the arrow, so on my screen it says 1 to step and an arrow, click on it and click on add accounts. Once you go over here at the bottom where it says already have an account and there's going to be login in red, you want to click on that. If you click on email, Facebook without clicking on login, it's going to ask you to create an account. We don't want to do that. So click on login and come over here. And over here, if you want to use your email, username or your phone number, you can see the icon where it says use phone/email/username at the top of your screen. You want to click on it. Over here, you can enter your phone number. So I can enter my phone number over here and click on send code. What this is going to do is this is going to send a verification code to my phone number on my SMS. I can see the code, type the code over there and verify my phone number. Once my phone number is verified, my account will be opened up. So that's for phone number. And if you want to use your email or your username, you can click on email/username at the top right side of your screen and it's going to take you over here. Once you're over here, you can enter your email. After you enter your email over here like I'm doing, what you need to do is go on where it says, your passport. So once you enter your password over here, click on login. And if the email and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your account. And for username, it's simple as well. What you can do is where it says email at the top, instead of email, you can type your username. After you type your username, you need to enter the password of your account over here as well, alright? And after you enter the password, click on login. And the username and password you entered over here is correct. You should be able to log in into your account using username, alright? So hope you guys understand how you guys can do that. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and bye-bye.